Non-farm data is going to be released today, this Friday, and it seems like pound dollar is waiting for data to be released. Before we can deep dive into the chart, I'm Alex, technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's talk about pound dollar. Okay, in this daily chart, we've seen that the price failed to break the major resistance, very strong resistance, which at 1.344. That's our strong resistance in daily chart. So we came down for our chart to see the structure inside daily chart. In our 4-hour chart, we've seen that the price makes a double top pattern formation, but it hasn't been validated yet. Why? Because the neckline hasn't been broken yet. In the right side of the double top, or the double top leg, it shows that it makes a very good enough demand zone, but it's very small. This is around the price of 1.3336 until 1.32765. This is our first demand zone. We want to see a rejection. Yeah, of course it was a rejection, but we want to see the most implosive rejection in this area. But what if it's failed? What if it's failed to reject the first demand area? So our second demand is around 1.3135 until 1.30327. So if the price failed to reject the first demand and failed to close above the strong key point or daily resistance, so we will have to wait until the price came to the second demand. That's our plan for pound dollar today. Okay, so let's talk about macro. Macroeconomy is quite important for us because we want to see how the market works, how the market condition is in the retail industry. So in the April last month, in the last week of April, the US showed very important data, which is GDP. The GDP show slowing down, which is in minus 0.3, which is not good for US economy. And yesterday, US also came to initial jobless claim data release, which came higher than expected and higher from previous month. Also, this is not a good sign for US market economy. And today, it's going to be a big day because why? Why is today going to be a big day? It is because we will see later this US open market a non-farm payroll data release. It is very important. We can see that if the US going to open some labor in US or not. So we have to keep an eye on this data. So from the two previous data, the economic data, it shows that US will likely to show, well, let's see, a significant slowing down or maybe a rough season for a couple of months because of this data. And today, in this night, in US market open, we will see that NFP data is going to be released also. So let's see how the market works. Let's see how the market will react to pound dollar tonight. Okay, well, that's it. That's our looks for the technical side and the macro side. And don't forget to follow our Instagram channel, our YouTube, so we can give you guys some informational video. You can get our daily market upload by today, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.